two 10mm right here. Now, just like that. Loosen it up right until it's about to run out of threads, and then just tilt it up and out. Just held in by a little clip just like that, and there you go. That pops out over here. Moving this bracket to the side. There we go. Just move it out the way just enough. Get a ball head on that. And ooh, shit. Here we go. Big bolt. Alright, as long as this engine is supported, or as long as the transmission is supported, removing this actually shouldn't be that hard. Just like that. It's probably the longest bolt I've ever seen in my life. Just like that, you come out. Boom, you're out. You can see here, I can pull this whole thing out. I can put my thing all the way through here. That's a lot of play. So, let's look at our new mount and see what it looks like. Well, it looks kind of crazy, but that's how it mounts. See how that's all destroyed? Notice how this is connected. Rubber. Just gonna have to drop you up in there. First things first. Now, I skipped over putting these bolts back in. Use a little bit of lock thread on all of them. And now let's start to torque them. Now, before I put this stuff back together, make sure you get these ears on correctly. there's little tabs that line up. Get those tabs lined up. They're like cushions for when the engine bounces back and forth. You don't want these to be off. So it's 80 foot-pounds right there. Just like that. There we go. That's it. There's a little snap clip down here. So just, there we go. I'm actually not going to put a bolt back there for easier removal. This goes upside down like this. Oh, let's see. And tuck it down. There's a little zip tie spot right here. I broke it, so just simply put it back down like that. A little bit of moisture like that helps it come right on. Just like that.